Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look for you guys using the Blue Blood palette by Jeffree Cosmetics. So if you guys want to know how to get this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified every time I upload. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Today I'm going to use the Blue Blood palette by Jeffree Star. Sorry about my hands. I self-tan and I just forgot to wash my hands. But yeah, anyways, I am darker. Can you guys tell? I am enjoying this color. So yeah, now I can match my foundations to my body. But other than that, next time I'll make sure to do my hands right because they are looking orange. Anyways, now I'm just going to start doing this side on camera. Like always, I'm going to prime my eyelid with the PINCHME base in the shade 1. So I'm just going to apply a little bit here and then just blend it in. So with that, I'm using this Makeup Shack brush. And I'm just going to blend it in here. And once it's applied, you can start with the eyeshadow. You don't have to wait or anything. So now that it's blended all the way to the brow bone, I can start with the shadow. I'm going to take the shade Cremated and Undertaker. I'm just going to mix them both. Then I'm using the Morphe M507. First, I'm just taking Cremated. And seeing how that looks. Yeah, that looks dark enough. So I don't have to take Undertaker. Apply that from the outer all the way to the inner corner. And I'm keeping that shade pretty low, just so it doesn't go all the way to the brow bone like always. And you can take it on the lid, it doesn't matter. Okay, now that that's done and I'm looking crazy, I'm just going to take another brush. This is the Morphe JH37, and I'm going to take a lighter shade. I'm going to take the shade Blue Monday, which is this one here. That looks nice. It looks like a blue purple-ish shade. Now I'm just going to blend that out. So kind of tapping it and blending. Just because obviously the eyeshadow base is kind of tacky still. You don't want to rub a lot. Today I'm going to do a half cut crease. I've been wanting to do one for a while. So now it's blending upwards a little bit, as you can see. And then I'm going to take a fluffier brush, which is the Profusion brush that came in the Profusion eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take the shade Flourishing, which is the one next to it. This one here. These don't have a lot of fallout, which is good, but I just wanted to do my eyeshadow first, just in case. So far, so good, not a lot of fallout. And they're not chalky either, which is good. I really recommend the PINCHME base though, because that's going to help you make them brighter and everything. So make sure you invest in the PINCHME. I'm going to take the E40 and I'm going to take the shade Blue Blood, which is this one here, the blue one. That's really pretty. And I'm going to blend everything out. Make sure not to take it too high up. And now I can start extending it out the outer corner here, outwards. This shade is poppin', girl. I am loving the shade. Oh my gosh. This is my favorite shade so far. Wow. Look at that. so pretty. I'm obviously going to go back to the darker shade right now and intensify it again because it got blended away. So I'm taking the Morphe M507 and taking Cremated. I'm just blending a little bit more into the crease. And then I'm going to take the shade Blue Monday just to blend it out a little bit more. I can go in with like a matte shade. So this is the shade Wealthy. I'm just going to take that Wealthy shade and apply it to the brow bone a little bit, just to bring it down a notch. Now we can cut the crease. I'm gonna use this concealer brush number 10 from Chanel. So I'm gonna do that with the P. Louise base. Apply it in the back of the hand. And then I'm gonna start cutting. This is a process, so bear with me. I just start at the bottom because it's easier. And then I start working my way up. Like so. And you want to leave a little bit of the blue. Now that that's on, I'm going to take the shade. I'm between I'm Cold and Minty. So I'm between these two. Probably I'm Cold. And I'm just going to apply it on the lid. I think that's light enough. And then I like to go in with the M507 brush and take Cremated and blend the outside here a little bit. That's such a pretty blue. And then now I'm just going to clean up a little bit here. All the mess. I'm gonna do the other side off camera and I'll be right back. I did my face off camera as well and I finished the other eye. Now we're just gonna do the lower lash line. I'm just using the shade Blue Monday. I did apply mascara off camera. I used the ColourPop mascara. Now that the color's blended in, I'm just going to use the Morphe M507 and I'm using that with the shade Cremated, just on the outer corner a little bit, just to define it a little bit more. I'm just going to do the inner corner now and I'm just taking the first shade right here to make it pop a little bit. This one is so nice. Wow. I'm using the Oh Honey lashes in Be Classy. This is what they look like with the Kiss lash adhesive. That's my favorite one. So this is the finished look right here. I am really digging it. These shadows right here are very blendable. They are really fast to work with, especially with the shadow base that I always use. It just looks amazing. I'm in love with this look. The lashes and everything. I even use the Urban Decay eyeliner in the shade Mainline. I use it on the waterline. All these shadows are really, really nice. And I didn't work with the shimmer shades. I know they are really nice though because I swatched them off camera. But girl, you need this palette in your life. When it comes back in stock, make sure you grab it. They do have it available at Morphe, and then Morphe also has Afterpay if you guys don't wanna, you know, splurge on this right away. You can make payments. So this is really nice. I really recommend it, and I love the packaging. Look at that. It's so cute. If you guys don't have this palette, make sure you pick it up on their next restock. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial right here. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.